Another thing is the slabs. We have just done the beams, make the slabs. We can select any floor, any structure slab with a level and click IC, isolate category. And as like we done with the beams, we don't have a slab on grade in this model, so we can just skip it. That's a ground floor slab with the task ID of SD-1005, and take this value, copy. I'm selecting all the slabs, so you can see that we have 4 floors or 4 structural slabs. I don't care how many slabs, because I'm selecting using this way. And the task ID for the first floor slabs would be 1. And the second would be 2. And the last one would be 1505. We can click HR